How's that birthday cake, boy?
Yummy!
Mm-hmm. Oh boy, tastes good. Is it good? It tastes good?
I want a flower on it. Okay.
You can have the flour. It's Zebby's birthday cake. You can have the flour.
I thought I'd eat this one.
I can take the flour and put it on that one if you want.
Okay.
Here, let me see it. Let me see your cake.
Mommy's getting the flour.
There you go.
Better? How's it taste?
What is this?
That's the leaf. Uh-oh.
What happened?
A flower fell off.
Okay. It's not going anywhere. We'll catch it. You can pick it up and put it back on if you want it on.
No, I don't want to stick it back on.
You don't have to. You can put it right there. Okay?
And that
Is that a
one.
piece, Mom?
Oh, yeah. All right, boy. Happy birthday.